already showed you, which I shown you. What do you say? Showed you. So I will paint them. I'll put them black with some red version. I don't know which other color can fit. Which are gray with some gray and what? You don't want some colors for here. That's what I'm saying. If it is black here, some shapes here for red. If we have like gray here, we may have white. Yeah, white. Or we have black and white, black, orange. That's what I'm trying to say. So that it can be shouting. It's just so dark. You got me? I don't want that bit. Yeah, I wanted to prepare it on live stream, but I couldn't manage, bro. So I wanted to be a live stream, but yeah. I'll try to live stream by next time. My laptop is letting me down. It's very slow. In fact, I bought a SSD card. Somebody told me install the SSD card on the comment section, and they told me it may work faster. So the right speed for the SSD, the drive, is very slow, bro. Like when I do live stream, it lags around. I don't want that thing, bro. So I bought an SSD card. Probably I don't know already installed it, but I did it. It's just not here, right? So we're doing this, boys. Hey guys, welcome here to another video. It has been a while since we had a video on this channel, but I was busy preparing something new. So as I told you, I was preparing the next project, which are the parts I'm showing today. Only the parts which I made, I will show today. So the other parts which you should buy or purchase, I will show them later in the video. So as I told you previously, I was preparing parts for my next project, and I only showed you these only two parts which I had already shown you, which I shown you. What do you say? Showed you. So I showed up these two parts previously, and I said it was for my next project. So the preparation is almost ready. So I prepared all the other parts remaining. Like I prepared more, like these two parts, these ones, and this one are for the x-axis. I mean for the z-axis. So okay. Wait, I'm going too fast. I didn't even tell you what I was doing for the next video. So, and as I told you, I was preparing for the next video. The next video will be a CNC machine, of course. As you can see, the parts who know here already guessed almost what we were to do. So, we are building a CNC machine, and the next project will be probably on next Sunday. This Sunday, I'll upload a video of complete build when I was finished, but probably I'll upload the video on Sunday. So on Sunday I'll upload a new video of how to build a CNC machine from start, because all these parts I made myself. I didn't purchase any unless the other parts with like the motors, this screw, those are like around me, right? So I'll show you all the parts which I've made myself and which I've been preparing. So I prepared more parts like this one. These are the stands. The stands will just fit it here. I'll just show you how this thing might look like, so you have a clue on your mind like how things will look like on the next video. So the stands will just hold this board here, because this is the bed, of course, where the work will be screwed like that. So this one will hold it like this one, and then these two boards parts for the gallery of x-axis. So for the x-axis, it will be moving like this, forward and backward through the smooth rods, which will go through here, these two walls, and the bearings will be held here, and the servo motors. I'm using a belt for this. For the x-axis, I'll use belts. So I'm trying out whether belt can yeah, I've seen some people use the belt and they have been successful, so I'm also trying a belt. For this screw, it's very successful because this screw has torque, yeah, and also power. But belt, so yeah, if you do things wrong, things will know what is the tension. Yeah, if you increase the tension for that, you can get the exact dimensions, right? So for the exercise, I said I will be using a belt, so I'm trying out the belt. So I have two stepper motors on each, like you can see here, stepper motors on each, and then I have a stepper motor here for the y-axis, which will be moving. So the y-axis will be moving this way. So of course, yeah, x-axis and the y-axis. So you got me. Yeah, so these two parts will be this one and this one are for the z-axis. These two parts, that means these three parts will just fit on each other like this. So I prepare them to fit like that. You see? Now this one is for the bottom one here. Should fit like that. You see? And then I will screw them down here. And then this is the bottom one. So these ones, and of course there will be a lead screw, so I only fix the lead screw for the z-axis only. So I prepared a z-axis holder. This is made of wood, so we'll fit like that, and I do it like this, and I screw down it here. So it will be just here, and the thermometer will be here to make the z-axis up and down. So that will be it. So this will be the diagram for the y-axis, and then the z-axis will be on the y-axis diagram. You got me? So yeah, these are the parts I've been preparing, and this part too I didn't show. Oh, this one is for them where the spindle will be held. The spindle will be held on this part, and some bearing for the z-axis. So yeah, so that's it. Those are the parts which I've been preparing on this video. So let's have an idea, huh? I'm asking for maybe you have an idea. I want to paint these things. I don't have them have the look of a wood. I want them to look like something else professional. I don't want them looking like wood. I want to paint them black. I don't know whether they it or the MDF will just be moving it, but I'm looking for your idea, guys. If it's good to paint, you just tell us. Comment in the section, bro. Like, I want to know, shall I paint them or shall I use the servor adhesive paper? Which you just place them here, and then you have some hits, and it covers everything. So I want black. I want color black and some red decoration. So that's why I know. That's why I know. And I don't want to use it like it is on wood. It looks local. I want something looks professional, you know. So guys, comment in the section. What's your favorite color? I like black. I don't know why. Yeah, I love black, bro. So I don't know why. Like, yeah, just like that, bro. So I will paint them. I'll put them black with some red decoration. I don't know which other color can fit. Which are gray with some gray and white. You don't want some colors for here. That's what I'm saying. If it is black here, some shapes here for red. If we have like gray here, we have white. Yeah, white. Or we have black and white, black, orange. That's what I'm trying to say, yeah? So that it can be shouted. It's just so dark. You got me? I don't want dark things. If it's black, we share your parts. You get me, right? That's what I'm trying to make. Something with black and some lighty thing so that it can be attractive, you know. We don't paint black and then black everything to move down. So boys, keep locked. Oh, so guys, keep locked to the channel. On Sunday we'll be uploading our new video. I will have already built the machine, and yeah, I wanted to prepare it on live stream, but I couldn't manage, bro. I couldn't manage. So I wanted to be a live stream, but yeah. I'll try to live stream by next time. Eh? My laptop is letting me down. It's very slow. In fact, I bought a SSD card. And somebody told me install the SSD card on the comment section, and they told me it may work faster. So the right speed for the SSD, I mean the drive, is very slow, bro. Like, but I'm using a stream, it lags out. I don't want that thing, bro. So I bought a SSD card. Probably I don't know we already installed it, but I did it. It just not right. So we're doing this, boys. Once it's complete, we still live stream. So I'll just upload the video, and maybe I'll try to have seen my contents, something like that, testing it. Yeah, and I will be needing you also to tell me what it will be looking like. So guys, keep locked the channel. Stay waiting on Sunday's video because I'll be uploading it and I will be finishing everything. So guys, keep locked, share and stuff. So guys, keep locked, subscribe and share my projects with your friends. Keep lovely, boys. I love ya.